In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check someone's calendar in Outlook 2025, step by step. We'll walk through the quickest way to view a colleague's availability using Outlook on the web. This method works great whether you're using a personal Outlook.com account or a work or school account through Microsoft 365. Keep in mind, the amount of detail you see depends on what the person has shared with you or what your organization allows. Sometimes you'll see full details. Other times, just free or busy blocks. Start by opening your web browser and going to Outlook.com. If you use Microsoft 365, you can also go to Office.com and open Outlook from there. Once Outlook loads, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation bar and switch to Calendar. It's the small calendar icon, and when you click it, your view changes from Mail to Calendar. On the left panel of the Calendar page, find the option labeled Add Calendar. This is where Outlook lets you bring other calendars into your view. Click Add Calendar and then choose People. The People option is designed specifically for adding calendars from individuals in your organization or contacts you already have. Use the search box to type the person's name. Outlook will surface matches as you type, so pick the correct person from the results. If multiple people share similar names, look for their department or email domain in the suggestion to make sure you're selecting the right one. The moment you select their name, their calendar will be added and you'll see it overlay onto your own. You'll notice the added calendar appears with a distinct color, so it's easy to tell apart from your events. You can compare schedules side by side, spot open windows, and coordinate meetings more confidently. If you only see blocks marked busy without details, that means you have visibility to their availability, but not the contents of their events, which is normal in many organizations. If nothing shows up, the person may not have shared their calendar with you, or they may be outside your organization. A quick tip for staying organized: glance at the calendar list on the left to see which calendars are currently displayed. This helps you avoid clutter and focus on the person you need. You can also change your calendar layout